Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of gear that promises to elevate your audio game. The premium 100ft XLR male to female cable from Clef Audio Labs. Right off the bat, what truly sets this cable apart is its commitment to pristine sound. Clef Audio Labs has engineered it with 22 AWG oxygen-free copper, or OFC, which is crucial for unmatched signal transmission. This means you're getting high-quality sound with minimal loss and interference, whether you're laying down tracks in the studio or rocking a live performance. The clarity it delivers is genuinely impressive. Connectivity is key, and this cable doesn't disappoint. It features gold-plated 3-pin connectors. Gold plating isn't just for show. It ensures optimal signal conductivity and provides excellent corrosion resistance. This translates to a rock-solid, high-quality connection every single time you plug in your microphone, mixer, or speaker, giving you peace of mind during critical moments. Now let's talk about reach. A generous 100-foot length offers incredible flexibility for any setup. Imagine the possibilities: setting up a mic across a large stage, running lines for an outdoor event, or simply having the freedom to position your gear exactly where you need it in a spacious studio. This cable truly provides professional-grade sound quality everywhere you go, extending your capabilities significantly. In any professional audio environment, noise is the enemy. Clef Audio Labs has tackled this head-on with superior shielding. This durable XLR cable effectively protects against EMI/RFI interference, delivering a clean, noise-free audio experience. For critical recordings and live shows, that clarity is absolutely essential, ensuring your audio remains pure and uncompromised. Durability is another major selling point. Crafted with a robust black zinc alloy shell and a flexible black PVC jacket, this cable is built to withstand the rigors of touring and frequent use. It feels substantial in hand, assuring you it's a reliable choice for any audio professional who demands gear that lasts and can handle the demands of constant setup and teardown. And here's a feature that often gets overlooked but makes a huge difference in daily use: the included cord caddy. This isn't just a nice-to-have, it simplifies cable management, storage, and transport immensely. No more tangled messes or wasted time coiling cables. It helps maintain a tidy setup and saves precious minutes, which is invaluable for busy musicians and sound engineers looking for an easy cable solution. Finally, the balanced audio design ensures your performances and recordings are captured with the highest fidelity. By minimizing noise, this XLR cable delivers clear and precise sound, which is crucial for any professional audio environment where every nuance matters. It's compatible with microphones, sound mixers, amplifiers, and speakers, making it a versatile workhorse for any audio professional. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance, durable, and incredibly convenient XLR cable that won't let you down, the Clef Audio Labs Premium 100ft XLR is definitely one to consider. It's designed for professionals who demand the best, offering peace of mind and exceptional audio quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.